I am opening command prompt. See here it is showing C colon /users/user. So current login user is here user. I am checking it in C drive, entering into C drive, entering users. Say this is the user account named as user. I want to change this name user with my name. Selecting the user and right clicking. Say here no option for renaming. So for renaming this user with my name, there are few little steps that we need to do. First, I'll create a new user and I'll provide the administrative right to that user. So for creating new user, I'm again entering into command prompt and running it as administrator. Now creating a new user, and for that using the command net user test /add. Here test is the name of new user. Enter. The command completed successfully. It indicates that the new user name as test has been created. To provide administrative right to this account, now entering into user account control panel by running the command net plewis. See here the new user which I have created is test. I should provide administrative right to this test user. For that I am clicking properties. This is the name of user test, entering into group membership and providing administrative power. Apply. OK. Then in user account, clicking OK. Checking whether I can see the user test in C drive or not. Entering into C drive, users. Still we are not getting here the new user account test. Probably I'll get to see it here after restarting or after signing out and signing in. Now see here from start menu whether it is here or not. Yes, here I can see the test user account has been created. This test user account I have given administrative power. At present I am in this user account and I want to change the name of this user account. For that I have created this test a new user account. Now I will sign out from this account and again I will sign in by this test account. So now signing out from here. After signing out, I have signed it again with this user test. Now inside C drive, checking under users, see one user named as user and this is test user just I have created and I have signed in through this user test. I am to change this user name with my name. Now right clicking on this, say now there is a rename option. I will change this name. Before that I need to change the name inside registry key. For that I will enter into command prompt and I'll run it as administrator. Then I will use WMIC command which is Windows Management Interface command. Sometime it might call Windows Management Instrumentation command. So entering into command prompt and I am running it as administrator. I am using the command WMIC user account get name SID. I will get the information about the users with their security identifier. Here SID is security identifier. Enter. Say I got the different users. One user is test, just I have created and I have entered now. I have signed in now. There is a user named as UACR user and this is security identifier. It is defined as 1002 and test is defined as 1004. I want to change the name of this user with my name. For that what I will do, in search bar I'll write reg edit. This is registry editor. Entering into it, entering into ASCII local machine, entering into software. Next I need to enter into Microsoft Next I need to enter into Windows NT, this Windows NT current version. Entering into current version, I need to enter profile list. Inside this, these are different security identifier. This is 1002, this is 1003, this is for test user. 1002 is for user named as user. I want to change the name here, so selecting this, right clicking and entering into modify, and I am changing this value with my name Shubho. Clicking OK. See, the name has been changed with Shubho. I have nothing more to do here, so I am closing this registry editor. Now I will change the name in C drive. So entering into C drive, users, this is test. As a user name test, I am working here. I want to change the name of this user, which is named as UACR user. I will change this name. So right click, rename, and rename it with SUVO Shubho. See, the name has been changed. Now next, one thing I need to do, I need to change the name under user account. To enter user account, I will use netplewis command. So opening command prompt as an administrator and using netplewis, enter. Netplewis.exe is an advanced user accounts control panel used for managing user accounts in most of the Windows operating system. This is the user. I want to change the name of this user. So entering into properties, say this is name of user. I am changing it with Shubho, and already the administrative right has been given here. Apply, OK, and here OK. Now again I am using WMIC command to see the security identifier. WMIC user account get name comma SID, enter. See, in this case the user account named was UACR user and SID was 1002. Now here 1002, that has been changed with the name SUVO. I think the name of user account, which was by the name UACR, now has been changed with my name SUVO, Shubho. Now I am working here as a user named as test. I have changed the name user with my name Shubho. So now I will sign out from this test user and I will sign in with the user which I have changed with my name. So signing out from this here, this is test, and clicking this sign out. I have signed in with the user named with my name, which is Shubho. See here. Now entering into C drive, checking it, users, say here now it is SUVO Shubho, which was earlier as user. Now entering into command prompt. Now in command prompt it is clone /users /Shubho. Earlier it was user in place of SUVO. So perfectly the username which was user UACR has been changed with my name, which is Shubho. Now in C drive, see how many users are here. Say users, say here Shubho and test. The test user I have created. Now if I want to delete this test user, what I should do? I may check name of users by using net user command. In command prompt, I am running it as administrator. Here using net user, say the test user is here. I want to delete this test user. For deleting this test user, I will use net user, name of the user test /del. Enter. The command completed successfully. Again I am checking the name of users by this command net user. See here, there is no user named as test, which was previously here in this case. So the test has been deleted. Now I want to check whether the user named as test has been deleted from C drive or not. Entering into C drive, under users, see still the name of test is here. Now at start menu, see whether the test is there or not. No, from here the test has been deleted, but only in C drive under users the test is here. We can delete it from here also. For that I need to enter into properties of this PC. So right clicking on this PC, properties, entering into system protection, under advanced tab, user profile, entering setting of this user profile. See here account unknown. I need to delete this account unknown. So checking the first one, deleting it. Yes, that has been deleted. Somehow another unknown account is here, so I am deleting that also. Okay. Now again I am checking under users in C drive. C drive, users. Say now the user whose name was test has been deleted from this users also.